make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'll surrender.
I know that when I edit this video, my knee is going to look really ugly, but it's just going to look like a big old man face. Right.
It's not a bent knee though, it's bent knees that don't look very nice.
Hi everybody, we are in a Hi everyone, so today I'm here with Holly, and today we're going to be filming a Q&A video slash eat Domino's with us situation.
Yeah.
So we're really excited, it's 8 PM, we're really hungry. I've been in the car for like 4 hours, which should have been a 2-hour journey, so I'm starving. So we're going to jump in, but before I do, we're also filming a video on Holly's channel, which we'll link in the description. What are we doing on your channel?
The same thing.
The same?
But with different questions.
Also, we'll probably move on to the cookies at that point.
Yeah.
If you're a cookie
We have
fan.
pizza, wedges and cookies.
and a
so
Fanta.
we've got
That's
plenty to
probably
keep us going for 2 Q&As.
the size of my face. But yeah, we're going to jump right in. We've got a lot of questions and we're both really hungry, so enjoy. We obviously got a large dip because, let's be honest, the small one's just not enough, is it?
I'm just going to use a wedge because they've put too much mustard on my pizza.
What flavour pizza did you get? Talk us
I
through.
got, let me show you. I got the hot dog pizza. It's got little bits of hot dog on it,
like
and
a
onions, and lots and lots of mustard.
Yeah, and I just got pepperoni. Plain Jane, but you know you can't go wrong with a pepperoni. Ooh. Honestly, dreaming about it. Past like 2 hours.
Really good.
Yeah. Right. Questions. Let's go. Who is your favourite Disney character?
I normally say that like Stitch my favourite classic character, and then Wally's my favourite Pixar, because then I don't have to pick one. Probably a little bit more Wally, but
I'm quite a fan of the sidekicks.
yeah, like
So-
Mulan and stuff.
Yeah.
Mulan, Mushu. I meant Mushu.
I don't know. I was thinking about this on the way here, and I was thinking, I do really like Stitch.
Yeah.
Because he does make me cry every single time.
He's just so cute.
I also really love Baymax. Like, I want a Baymax toy. If on this trip I find one that's like cute, I'm getting it. But if I'm honest, I don't really have a favourite, and I know that's kind of a cop out of an answer. But at this moment in time, I don't have one. You're really good with that slice of pizza.
Cheese is hanging off.
What Disney movie do you think deserves to have a ride at the park, and what type of ride?
Oh, I like this
That's a good question.
I might need to think about this for a minute. I've always wondered why older films that still don't have rides.
I know what you mean, like Cinderella is like a really old one. I'm going to zoom right in on that, you do know. Cinderella's a really old film, but it's never had a ride, as far as I'm aware.
It's got the castle though, so I think that's why
Yeah,
it makes it okay.
I guess so. Beauty and the Beast, I think would be a great ride. It would probably be like a sort of haunted, I keep saying haunted mansion, Phantom Manor style.
That'd be cool.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah,
So
like
you
the
go
castle.
through, yeah, and then like the ballroom bit and
Yeah.
stuff. I think that'd be cool.
I mean, Wally needs a ride. Like, you could make such a cool space ride.
Yeah, that would be cool.
Like, you could go
kind
on-
of like, have you seen Spaceship Earth in Epcot? Right? Like that sort of vibe would be cool. Like a giant Wally one.
And you could like go aboard the Axiom.
I'm gonna act like I know what that is. Is that the part of spaceship?
That's the thing where all the people are on. That's the
Oh.
thing that all the people, like, they escape from Earth on it. That thing.
Got you. I've watched Wally once, so
I'm a
bit like
10 more
what?
times.
It's because it made me really emotional and I was just like, can't watch it again. That's what I'm like with all the sad Disney films. Like, I refuse to go and see the live action Dumbo.
Because you know
I
you're
thought I
gonna
was
cry. Yeah.
If you could only keep one pair of ears, which pair? Oh, and one pin, sorry. Which and why?
I feel like you should answer the ears question and I should answer the pin question.
Yeah, okay. I feel like it'd have to be the classic ones. Do you know what I mean? Because they go with everything.
Yeah.
Like, as much as I love the really cool ones, like my lollipop ears, or like the Aladdin ones, I just think the OG ones go with every outfit. So
They literally do. And like the Fantasia ones as well with the Mickey hat.
yeah,
Like the Fantasia hat.
they're really uncomfortable though, I find. Do you find yours uncomfortable?
Yeah, they're very tight.
Yeah. So
My friend Hayley bought me for Secret Santa the other day a limited edition Hades one, and it's like
that's
red
what you look
and
like
yellow.
and you're like, I like the layers. I did watch it and I was like, what? But you didn't show, drove me insane because you didn't show me anything else.
Oh, okay.
And I sat there, I was like, what is this for? Like, why have I not seen anything else? So, yeah.
Yeah, that's amazing. I would probably say that one is the one I'd want to keep. But I have lots of really nice stitch ones too. Like I have the 2 Christmas stitch ones that I got.
Took your breath away. Do you have a bucket list of things you want to do? I feel like, I'll answer my mouthful for a second, that we always have a list of things we want to do because we didn't plan it once and it just was a lot of stress for us, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So we always plan our trips now. But we have got a list of things we'd like to do together. All I can do is hear you going like absolutely deep into that piece.
So a few things we want to do. We want to do all the Christmas stuff. There's a few things that we both still haven't done together that we've done separately but we want to do together, like Annette Steiner.
Yeah.
Like
also, I've never done Annette Steiner when I haven't been a vegetarian.
Oh, so
do you know what I mean?
Experience the burgers.
Yeah, because like their mushroom burger is nice, but like the mushroom's always cold. And I'm just like not about that. So
yeah, Annette's burgers and hot dogs are so good. And what else? Stitch Live.
Yeah, I've never seen that.
You've never seen it? You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. So good. And what else haven't we done together? There was a few things. Like we haven't met Darth Vader or Mickey Mouse in the actual places where they meet. And there's just a few rides here and there. So there's quite a few.
I've never done teacups.
Have we not?
No, teacups make me want to vomit, but I can't go on them at Disney.
Yes. Oh my god, I can't believe we've not done teacups. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
I know. So yeah. Basically, that's our bucket
There's a
list.
few things.
What hotels have you stayed in on and off site, and which is your favourite? So, do you want to list them? Because Holly always books them. Because I'm racking
up
not
the Expedia points.
Honestly, she is, and also stuff like that just genuinely causes me so much stress that I just can't. So I'd rather you do it and it'd be right, because I'll just be sat there like I don't know what I'm doing.
I really enjoy like looking up holidays. So I do it all the time, with, like everywhere in the world. So yeah, we have stayed in. So in October we stayed in, what was it called? The Explorer. Then, it's like I read it from your eyes.
It was like,
feeded it to me, feeded it, fed it. In January we stayed in a hotel that was really nice but a massive pain in the ass.
can you pass the wedge, please?
Yes, thanks. I can. No problem.
Why is there just a wedge left on its own?
Because I was going to use it, but I actually enjoy the mustard.
Pop them back in. No. Oh, right. We need a towel.
Yeah, we do.
In fact,
I'm still eating.
I just spilt Fanta everywhere by dropping the barbecue dip in my cup, and it just exploded. But it's fine. Didn't we stay in the Radisson Blue?
That's it.
Oh, was that one? Radisson Blue was the second one, and then the third one
Used to be called something else, but it's now called
I can't remember.
I can't remember what it used to be called. But it's now called the Campanile.
That one was nice though.
That was nice, yeah. The Campanile and the Explorer were really good. They were good to be able to get to the park. Like, they were handy. But the Radisson Blue was lovely.
It was only 9 o'clock shuttles, wasn't
yeah,
it?
the shuttles weren't very good. But it was a really nice hotel. So if you drive, that was a good one.
Or if you could bother to walk.
Yeah, but I would recommend the partner hotels. I mean, we've only stayed in 2, but they were both nice.
No, they're both really good.
I stayed in the B&B actually in June, and it was pretty basic, but that was also good because the shuttles are just easy peasy.
Random question. Favourite memory with your boyfriend?
Yeah, that's cute.
I thought non-Disney question, spice it up.
Let me think about it first, because I've probably had a lot more moments. I've had like 6 years of moments.
Not really big specifically.
You go first.
Our first date was quite cute. We went to the cinema and watched Endgame.
Sounds adorable.
Not Endgame.
Oh, okay, Endgame.
Infinity War. Sorry.
Okay, that sounds like a good date.
But no, it was really cute because we didn't really know each other very well at that point, so it was nice.
Yeah.
We're like chatting, but like, you know,
a little bit awkward.
Yeah. It's really hard because I spend a lot of time with them. Do you know what I mean? So I'm really trying to pick like.
Same, like I see him every day, so like how am I supposed to pick a time in like 5 years?
He's probably watching this as well, being like, why would you not say this stuff?
Yeah,
like,
sorry. I forgot.
It was. He asked me to be his girlfriend whilst we were watching Infinity War, like when it was out on DVD though.
Oh, that's
so we rewatched it together. And we're like on the same.
Like I think the first date was like and then
oh cute. Yeah, so that was cute.
That sounds cute.
I'll say that was my favourite moment.
Mine, I have so many because me and Luke have been together for ages. But some of our favourite memories would be like when we go on holiday, because we tend to go abroad every year. So we've been to like Tenerife and Croatia and like in summer, and those are some of my favourite memories of Luke, I think. We've like both got our adult jobs at the same time, and those little moments are cute because obviously we met when we were like kids and now we're like adults. It's like those like
together,
exactly. Yeah. So I have lots. It's been a long time.
Will you ever go to Walt Disney World or any other Disney park? Yeah. I used to go every other year, from when I was like 2 to when I was 16. So I went a lot.
You lucky bee.
Literally, so lucky. I haven't been for, how many years of my life is that? 9 years. So much has changed since then. Like when I went last time, the Harry Potter section of Universal Studios only just opened. And it took 4 hours to get in to the actual area. It was ridiculous.
I've never been, so like I feel like I'm just going to be absolutely
Honestly,
amazed. Everybody keeps telling me like if you love Paris, you're going to die at Disney World.
The thing is with Disney World is that like because you've been to Paris first, you think you go to like Magic Kingdom and you're like, oh, this is really cool, it's massive. But then that's like 1 out of 5 parks. And then you're like, oh, I get to do it again. But like every day it's something new. It's so fun. Next question. Favourite Disney princess?
Rapunzel.
Ariel. Easy. Which character is a rare one that you've never come across that you'd love to be?
Yeah, okay. See, mine was Lilo, and then I got to meet her in June, which was like the best day of my life. But maybe Mushu.
Yeah.
That'd be really cool.
More sidekicks. Like I know it would never happen, but like if you could meet Flounder, do you know what I mean?
Oh, that'd be so funny.
Flounder and Sebastian. Like that, if we could meet them, that'd be amazing.
It would be so
like,
good.
Imagine it. We're gonna end the first half of the video here because we need to film for Holly's channel now, which is very exciting. We've been filming for about 40 minutes. So we're going to wrap this one up. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll leave Holly's channel down below. Don't forget to subscribe to both of us and follow us on Instagram and all that sort of thing. And we will see you very soon. Bye!